All right, let's get into this. This is going to be update number 8 into my M1 account. As you can see, it's I think it's up from last week. I don't remember. It might be down. 77,000. This is split up. For those of you who've never seen my videos, this is split up between two accounts that I have. One being the high dividend account, which is made up of a bunch of individual stocks that I've picked. And then the other one, this 20-30 aggressive, with the exception of this Apple position, is just an expert pie. The M1 Finance calls it the 20-30 aggressive. So if you plan to retire in 2030, this is the pie that they recommend. Not necessarily recommend, actually, it's just one of the options they have. But I go over the weekly activity of both portfolios. And just share it with you guys to get some feedback and just let you guys know what I'm doing. As always, this isn't necessarily investing advice. This is just what I'm doing and what I'm investing in throughout the week. So starting off with, this is 1 day performance. Let's go 1 week. Oh, that's 1 month. All right, the weekly performance. So Warner Brothers is down 8% or 8.8%. Cisco 4.9%. WPC 3.4%. Best Buy 2.2%. Walgreens 1.29%. American Financial Group 1%. Procter & Gamble 0.8%. Lockheed Martin like 0.5%. And then the rest of these are up. Starting with Coca-Cola, just up 0.3%. Johnson & Johnson 0.42%. Old Republic International 1%. Costco 1%. Home Depot 1.2%. Altria Group 1.35%. AT&T 1.4%. HPQ 1.8%. T. Rowe 3.7%. 3M 4.16%, which I'm surprised, but Citigroup, this one too. I think Citigroup's up 8%. Or was it 8%? Am I tripping? No, yeah, 8%. I think they had like good results for the quarter or something like that. Yeah, Citigroup Inc. posted a rise in first quarter profit on Friday, so the stock jumped. And then this one too. I'm not even sure what's going on with it, why it's gone up, but maybe people are starting to see that it's getting so cheap and they don't want to miss out. I think it's a big risk, but it's also a big reward. I'm more of an aggressive type of investor. If I lose the money I have here, I can always just work more and make it up. I'm not near retirement or anything like that, so that's why I'm investing heavily, as you can see, into this position. I've invested over $8,500. All right, let's go over the activity. I don't think I had much activity. April 10th, $102. And that got me just over 1 share. Bought in at $101.74. And then you can see those dividends right there. And then this one, I think this is last week. What is it, April 6th? What's today, the 15th? Well, if it's not, I'll go over it again. Or, if it is, I'll go over it again. $100 into Home Depot, 286 is what I got it for, and it got me 0.3 shares. And then $100 into 3M got me just under 1 share. I paid $102, or the share price was $102.15. So that's all the activity from this account, or that portfolio rather. And then this one, like I mentioned in my last video, my new strategy is to continue just investing every single day, no matter what the market's doing. So if it's up, if it's down, it doesn't matter. I'm still investing. So starting with This one right here, April 10th. All right, I guess not. There it is. Again, these are all essentially ETFs by Vanguard. So this is short-term bond ETF, intermediate term bond ETF. TIP is a Treasury inflation protected security, and then this is a mid-cap growth. Again, I'm not really concerned with these because this is just more passive, and just I want to compare myself to these ETFs and see how I fare. But again, just a bunch of ETFs that it's investing in. So yeah, like I said, $100 every day, Monday through Friday. That's what I'm doing. Like, again, I don't care what it's buying. It's just a bunch of ETFs, essentially the entire market. So I'm not really concerned about it. Even some bonds, which aren't stocks. But yeah, that's all the activity for this week in this portfolio. And as you guys can see, it's up 0.7%, the 2030 aggressive, and then the Apple one is up just a third. I'm gonna come out with a poll just to see probably what it is. I'll throw some options on there and see what it is that you guys want me to do videos on. That way it's not just the same thing week in and week out, unless that's what people vote for. According to the YouTube analytics, that I think there's like 20 of you guys that are returning viewers. So I want to kind of tailor the videos towards you guys and see what you guys think. You guys can either comment on this video or just wait for that poll. If you don't want to comment and just click, I know it's easier. I don't even comment on other videos, so I'm not gonna really expect you guys to comment either. But I'll come out with that sometime probably later today, if not tomorrow for sure. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of my strategies. Let me know what you guys are doing, and then I'll keep you guys posted next week, and then we'll see what that poll says. All right, peace.